Welcome back to Betty Lou's Corner. Today we're going to open 6 packs of My Little Pony collectible cards. Here we go. Let's see. Here we got Blue Moon, Hungry Caterpillars, Cerulean Skies, Purple Parasite, Amethyst Star, Flitter, Bunny Stampede, Pinkie Pie, Professor Nay, Critter Cavalry, Runaway Cart, Too Much Pie. Alright, next pack. High Spirits. The Problem with Paris Sprites. Applejack. Full Free Press. Mare. Opal Sense. Red Gala. Hoity Toity. Charged Up. Marvelous Chapeau. Let's get this party started. Woo! Emergency Dress Order. A Thorn in His Paw. Forest Owl. Pinkie Pie. Adventures in Full Sitting. Granny Smith. Rubber Chicken. Paris Bright Pandemic. Winona. Bright Bulb. Marvelous Chapeau. Let's get this party started. And Emergency Dress Order. Those were some repeats there. Still love them. Rubber Chicken. Paris Bright Pandemic. Winona. Apple Brown Betty. Pearly Stitch. Who is Gabby Gums? Rainbow Shine. Avalanche. Assertiveness Trading. Cloud Bursting. Creme de la Creme. Too many bandages. Alright, let's keep going. Pegasus Royal Guard. A Thorn in His Paw. Forest Owl. Pinkie Pie. Adventures in Full Sitting. Granny Smith. Rubber Chicken. Paris Bright Pandemic. Spring Forward. Auntie Applesauce. Want It, Need It. Yay! On to our final pack. Last pack, last pack, last pack. Hopefully this time I get a foil card. Ritkala, Hoity Toity, Looking for Trouble, that's my favorite, Rainbow Dash, Pegasus Royal Guard, A Thorn in His Paw, Forest Owl, Pinkie Pie, Adventures in Full Setting, Assertiveness Training, Duck and Cover, Flam, Hard Hat. Well, I didn't get any foil cards, but that was still an awesome opening. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified when I'm back on. Thank you.